Soul food is a type of cuisine that originated in the African American community in the southern United States. It is characterized by its use of flavorful ingredients, such as spices, herbs, and meats, and its slow cooking methods. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide to making some of the most popular soul food dishes, such as fried chicken, macaroni and cheese, and collard greens. To make fried chicken, you will need boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, flour, salt, pepper, and vegetable oil. First, season the chicken with salt and pepper, then coat it in flour. Next, heat the oil in a large skillet over medium heat and fry the chicken for 5-7 minutes per side, or until cooked through. Finally, remove the chicken from the skillet and drain it on paper towels. To make macaroni and cheese, you will need elbow macaroni, butter, milk, cheese, and salt and pepper. First, cook the macaroni according to the package directions. Then, melt the butter in a large saucepan and whisk in the milk. Bring the mixture to a boil, then add the cheese and stir until melted. Finally, season the macaroni and cheese with salt and pepper to taste. To make collard greens, you will need a bunch of collard greens, bacon, onion, garlic, and chicken broth. First, trim the collard greens and wash them thoroughly. Then, chop the bacon, onion, and garlic and saute them in a large pot over medium heat. Add the collard greens and chicken broth to the pot and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 1 to 2 hours, or until the greens are tender.